You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4,
All right, please take out your math books, open them up to page 231. Looks like this. And if you're wondering what's going on behind me, the reason that it looks different is that after I made this whole video for today at my classroom, and then I got back home and I found out that it got erased somehow. So I had to do it all over again. So we're at my house right now. So that's what's going on here. Luckily, there's nothing too hard in this math paper for today. Everything on here you should be able to do by yourself. Starting with these temperatures here. Go ahead and tell me what the temperature is. And then under it, you can see there are 3 months, 3 meses. Okay? They want to know which number month these are. So here we have March. Now, March is the 3rd month, right? So el mes tercer del año. Here's July, Julio, what month is July? And here's November. What month is November? Noviembre. Put those answers, put the temperatures to here and the number of month down here. Go ahead. Next, we have some Roman numerals, numerals romanes. It's been now a couple of them we've haven't only gone over a little bit. So just to remind you, M is 1,000, is 1000. C is 100, 100. And L is 50, 50. Okay? Everything else you should be able to figure out for yourself. Next, we have some animals here. Okay? Tell me whether those the animals at the top weigh in onzas or libras, ounces or pounds, and the ones at the bottom if they weigh in grams or kilogramos. If you don't remember how much an ounce is, or how much a pound is, or how much a gramo is, or how much a kilogramo is, then go back and watch the videos from last week where we explained this. I think it's last Monday and last Tuesday, I think. Let me just pull those up here on my computer real quick. No, not the videos from last week. The videos from yesterday, from this week. I knew that. Yes, videos from Monday and Tuesday. Go watch those videos. If you don't remember how much an ounce or a gram or a pound or a kilogram is, okay? Go back and watch Monday and Tuesday's videos to remind yourself how much those are, okay? And then take a look at these animals and try to figure out what they would weigh. Let's take a look at this first one here. We have a bird. That's a small bird, right? So do you think that bird weighs 5 ounces or 5 onzas or 5 pounds, 5 libras? Well, if he weighed 5 pounds, he probably wouldn't be able to fly, right? Because birds are very light. So the bird would weigh 5 ounces, 5 onzas. How's the jaguar? They're big cats. They're gatos grandes. So would they weigh 15 ounces or 15 pounds? 15 onzas or 15 libras? How about this little toad down here? Do you think that toad weighs 2 gramos or 2 kilograms? 2 grams, 2 kilograms. Remember, an ounce or a gram is about as much as this. So if you had a toad that weighed 2 of these, that would be a pretty small toad, wouldn't it? Yes, but this probably weighs 2 kilograms, 2 kilogramos. All right, see if you can figure out the rest. Go ahead. Down here, we have our entres. By now, they're all from 10, so you should know what to do. Just take that last number off. So if you have 90 divided by 10, 90 entre 10, you just take that 0 off. And its answer is 9, is 9, right? Okay, go ahead and do for the rest of these. All right, on the back, we see we have some number houses. But once we've done these, we have 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. 10,000, 1,100, 10, uno. I'm going to give you some numbers, and I want you to write them down, one number in each house, okay? So if I said 12,127, you put 1, 2, 12,127, okay? All right, you ready? I'll give you these numbers twice in English and once in Spanish. Here we go. 26,531. 26,531. 26,531. Okay, that's the first one. Second one, 14,397. 14,397. 14,397. And for the third number, 8,172. 8,172. 8,172. Now be careful. And on that last one, if you put the first number here, you're wrong, because this is for 10,000s. And all I said was 8,000, so it would start there, okay? All right, so go ahead and do that one. All right, next, there's A, B, and C. I'm going to give you some centavos, and I want you to write these centavos down the two ways that you're supposed to do it. Okay, do you remember? Well, let's see if you remember. All right, here's the first one. Write down 55 cents. 55 cents, 55 centavos. There are two ways to write it, so write down both of them. Next one, 17 cents. 17 cents. 17 centavos. And the third, 85 cents. 85 cents. 85 centavos. Okay. Next, you have some sumas and restas, which you can do with no problem. Some tablas and entres, no problem. Here you have some more restas, big restas, which we've already done. And you should know how to do these. If not, we did one of these earlier this week, so go back and watch Monday's video for a little reminder on that. And down here, we have our Roman numerals on this side and our regular numbers on this side. Draw lines, draw líneas to match them up. Okay? Okay, all the rest of that you should be able to do by yourself with no problem at all. So go ahead and do that. And when you're done, you can move on to your English class.